How to create a Fiverr affiliate account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Fiverr affiliate account. It's super simple, so let's get started. First, we need to head over to your browser. Once you are here, you need to go ahead and type fiverr.com. This will take you to the official Fiverr website. You need to scroll all the way down, and from here you can find an option that says affiliate. You need to simply go ahead and click on that. And now this will open up a new window for you. You need to simply go ahead and click on join now option. Now you need to go ahead and enter your first name, then you need to enter your last name. Then you need to simply go ahead and enter your email address. Now you can go ahead and choose your username. Then you need to go ahead and enter your password. Then you need to confirm your password. Once you do that, you need to simply go ahead and select your account type. It can be a private one person. You need to simply go ahead and select on private, and here this will ask you if you have a main source of traffic. Here you can go ahead and click on yes. Then you can enter URL of your any social media account, and here I'll be adding my YouTube URL. You can choose any other. Then you need to go ahead and choose your country, and from here you can go ahead and choose your language. And once you have done that, you need to click on next. Now you need to simply go ahead and choose where you are going to promote their services. Here I'll be choosing YouTube, blogs, offline. And once you have chosen, you need to simply scroll down, and here what are your top 5 audiences key interests. Here I'll be choosing digital marketing, graphic and interns, video and animation, program and text, data. You can choose any 5, and here my main content is for B2B. And how do you plan to promote Fiverr? Go ahead and paste this, or you can simply ask for ChatGPT to write it for you. Now once you have done that, you need to simply go ahead and enter your affiliate experience. Here you can write 2 months or 2 years. Here you need to simply go ahead and write if you are currently promoting another brands. Now you need to simply click on I agree to terms and conditions and I agree to privacy policy, and then click on register now. You have successfully applied to Fiverr affiliate program. You need to simply click on start doing, and that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.